Hey everybody, thanks for watching another video. E-24G exclamation point. This is Eric. I'm about to do a quick video on a pair of sneakers that I've had. They've been sitting on the shelf. Wanted to do a quick review. My personal experience with these sneakers, and I love Yeezy sneakers. There's nothing wrong with the 380s. It's just maybe I picked the wrong size when I bought them. But I'm about to show you which ones they are. And just to show, size 10. I've had these when they were first released, so I'm about to show. I've been keeping these in storage for a while. As you can see, I even have the little shoe umbrella inside. Wore them once. You can take a look at them. Look in pretty good shape, right? Very good shape. Like I said, I wore them once. I love the look. I love the green, which gives it almost like that slime look. If you look at it, the pattern, it's a little white, a little green over here. I love this pattern over here too. It has this cream with the gray, and then you have the see-through pretty much. You could see, you could actually see what you'll be wearing with these. In my opinion, these are the best ones. And you can have this very tight prime knit over here. As you go over here and take a look, amazing, amazing pair. One thing I do wish when they released them was that Kanye and Adidas would have done the infinity lacing system from the start. So you can see on the insole, I'm not going to take the umbrella off because I'm most likely going to get rid of these, and there's a reason why. Not for resale, it's not to make money, obviously it's not that. When I put them on the first time, when I say more comfortable than the 350s, absolutely, hands down, more comfortable than the 350s. The only problem is though, is that up here, I'm a wide foot, I'm a 10. And I felt that this area here was pretty much, if you think of your actual foot, you have this area right here. It was just, I felt it was tight around here. Everything else is fine, but maybe going half a size up might have helped out. But I had this right here where I felt the tightness, and it became uncomfortable after a while. Again, when you see this, it has this sock-like entrance, but over here you have this just running down, and I felt, not sure if it was that, if it was too tight, what it was. And as much as I would have loved to have these and keep these, that's probably the reason why I'm going to either trade these off or put them on GOAT and do something, maybe get something better eventually. But yeah, that's the biggest thing. Aside from that, again, I'll show the sneaker again. It's amazing. It's very comfortable. Nothing wrong with it. My biggest gripe probably was, since I have a 10 and 350s and those are fine, these were, probably that. And I haven't worn them in a long time. Just like I said, I wore them one time. And that's pretty much it. As far as the reviews, guys, take a look. Please subscribe to the channel so I make more videos, do more content. Like I said, it's very, very comfortable sneaker. You have the boost, you have this, you have the much better traction as far as when it comes to the to these versus the 350s. And maybe I'll get a 10.5 in one of the under retail colors, as far as that, and go that way. But that's pretty much, the best review. Over here you have this nice little incline over here as far as that, which again, it's for walking. It's these Boost sneakers, any Boost sneaker. But aside from that, the look that Yeezy, the Kanye and Yeezy brand and Adidas have come around, they always come out with good ones. For some reason, these don't seem to, a lot of people don't seem to like it. I'm not sure exactly why. These are not bad looking sneakers actually after all, and they're very, and they're much more comfortable than to 350s. The 350s are just so popular, very popular. And that's it. You know, this. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Keep on watching. Subscribe. Have other videos up. I put variety stuff up. I do the best I can when it comes to doing videos that are based on a multitude of things. And you know, I greatly appreciate every single one that watches these videos, wherever you're at. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys watching. Best thing I could say, you like the videos. If you don't like it, you don't have to click you don't like. You just like I always tell anybody else in real, you could watch something else if you wish. And again, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And stick around. I'll be making more content. And thanks again. See you guys.